Alternatives to EarnIn, similar apps, limits, and fees in the US. When people look for an alternative to EarnIn, they usually go for the app that sounds the most similar on the surface. That is where the mistake starts, because the real question is not which app also offers an advance. It is which one keeps the experience close to EarnIn's appeal once you look at the cap, the waiting time, and the fees that show up when you actually need the money fast. And that is why the strongest option here is not just the one with the biggest headline. It is the one that stays competitive when limits and fees finally meet real life. What actually makes an EarnIn alternative worth it? The smartest way to compare these apps is simple. Look at mandatory cost, look at the standard transfer speed, and then ask what you need to unlock the useful version of the product. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. That matters because one app can look cheap until you realize the limit is too small. Another can look powerful until you notice it works best only if you move your paycheck into its own system. The best alternative is the one that keeps the trade-off under control. Option 3, Clover, cheap feeling but smaller. Clover ends a place here because the fee structure is easier on the surface than many rivals. Its public materials say advances can range from $50 to $400. A standard delivery usually takes 1 to 3 days, and there is no interest or late fee.
If you want the money faster, Clover says instant transfer fees are optional and can range from $1.49 to $19.99.
That makes Clover attractive if your cash gaps are usually small and you care more about avoiding recurring charges than chasing a huge limit. The problem is obvious, though. Compared with EarnIn style expectations, $400 can start to feel tight very quickly. Option 2, Current, stronger cap but more commitment. Current gets much more interesting if you are willing to work inside its own setup. It says eligible users can access up to $750 through Paycheck Advance.
You can take the standard option for no fee and receive it within 3 business days, or choose instant access for a fee shown in the app.
That is a strong balance. The cap is meaningfully higher than Clover, and the fee structure is still optional rather than automatic. The catch is that it clearly ties availability to its own ecosystem, with your amount based on things like eligible payroll, deposit history, spending history, and other risk-based factors. So it feels strong, but not completely open. Option 1, MoneyLion, the closest overall match. MoneyLion takes the top spot because it gets closest to the mix people usually want when they leave EarnIn. Instacash offers up to $500 with no interest, no credit check, and no mandatory fees. Standard access is free in 1 to 5 business days, while instant delivery is optional for a fee. The reason it wins is the upside. MoneyLion also says ROAR Money customers with qualifying recurring direct deposits can raise that limit to up to $1,000. That is the detail that changes the ranking, because it gives MoneyLion the best shot at feeling like a true EarnIn substitute instead of just a smaller backup app. The honest downside is that not everyone gets that upper tier right away. The answer that actually holds up. So the loop closes here. Clover works best if you want a lighter feeling app for smaller advances. Current is stronger if you're comfortable using its account and direct deposit setup. But if you want the best overall alternative to EarnIn based on limits and fees, MoneyLion usually comes out ahead. And that is the detail most people miss at the start. The best replacement is not the one that sounds the most familiar. It is the one that gets closest to EarnIn's value without adding more friction than the advance is worth. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.